Hello and welcome back. Today is the day we finish JavaScript. Forgot for a second. Yeah, so today we're finishing JavaScript. Fun things. So we are going to be doing, just a look at the last one, the 133, 134 and 135. So shouldn't take us too long because as I just checked, the last one isn't actually anything. Well, it is. It's just an overview of the course, and won't that one take that long? And the other ones are 8 and 3 minutes. So we have gone through all of this in less than a week. Well, yeah, a lot less. While I was also working 3 days a week. So madness. But look, I managed. So amazing stuff. Let's get going. I'll watch the first video and tell you what happened and see you in a bit. Bye. Okay, welcome back. So, what have we done? Well, many things actually. Well, many interesting things at least. So, first of all, we've added 2 more users called Josh and Nelly to our database. So they are people who can log in and access the newsfeed. And to access the newsfeed, obviously they have to give us their username and password. So we have the username and password prompts, and then basically where this whole thing begins is sign in, username prompt and password prompt. So obviously we're gonna prompt these two to be taken, and for us to sign in, we also have the function sign in. So for us to sign in, we are requesting our username and password from if the username is username valid function, which comes from this one, where we use the loop system to go through the database with our I being 0 and going through the database until I equals all the results that are possible, so 3, and adding 1 to the I, and if database username is username, then and this is the same, then we're going to return true, and if not, we're going to return false, and if it's true, then we're going to be giving the console log in the newsfeed. If that is not the case, then we're going to be returning sorry, wrong username or password, and basically that's how it works. And then you get access, if that is correct, then you get access to the amazing newsfeed that we have available, which you can see right over here. So let's do a test run. So if I restart or refresh and write in let's say Josh, and not a good password, is it? Password 1, we're going to be let in, and we will be able to see the newsfeed, which is amazing. But for instance, if we write in let's say LA, and we write in 773, not the whole answer, sorry, wrong username or password. So and obviously if we press OK, then we won't have access to the actual newsfeed, which is really sad, isn't it? So this is how it's working, so which is amazing. I quite like it. We created their, you know, advanced-ish sort of Facebook of things, so that's lovely. Now we have completed this section. Now we can move on to JavaScript keywords, and then finally finishing off this section. So let me quickly watch that video and get back to you. Okay, so basically this was just, you know, going on about all the things we have done, and also all the, well, let me show you all the key things we have learned basically. So if I open up this and plug this in there, these are all the things, well, let me make it full screen. These are all the things we have done. So, you know, there are some, for instance these ones, which we will be looking at in the advanced section. But all of these, you know, numbers, ball and null, if, else, if, and, or, not, variable, functions, return, arrays, objects, for, while, do, you know, else, function, whatnot, where, var. All of these we have, you know, learned, and it's quite cool that we were able to, you know, pick up this language. Obviously there's still much to learn, but I'm quite happy that we were able to do it. And basically this, you know, what you're seeing right now is basically the same as what we will be getting here. This is the section outline, which in theory, and it does mean that we have completed this part, which is amazing. So as you can see, we have completed the JavaScript section. So all of these in less than a week, which is very good. I'm quite happy with it, and hope you enjoyed this journey as well. And next time, well, I'm not certain if I might. I think the plan is I will pop back, finish off my landing page sort of thing, which I don't have much left on. Only, to be honest, even just one episode will finish this off. And I think I might do the CSS grids and layouts, just because then I don't have to, you know, backtrack afterwards, and then I can, you know, because and they shouldn't take too long. Well, that's 18 steps, this is 8, and you know, whatnot. But I mean, once they're done, then I can move on to DOM multiplication, and then I can move on to advanced CSS, which will be epic to, you know, have advanced CSS. But the only reason why I think I'll leave it for now, obviously I want to learn advanced CSS, the only reason why I think it's better off is just because I don't want to be, you know, having gaps in my knowledge. And also, now that we have done this much CSS, I kind of want to, you know, move on to a different topic, and, you know, make sure that I know everything. And then afterwards we're going to have loads of other, you know, interesting things that we'll be looking at. But anyway, that was it for now. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, whatnot, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.